Hello everyone. Guys, we're going to look at the two puzzle piece assignments. This is again day 43, the snow day. Y'all look at the homework check has two things. This is the slideshow. This is the slideshow for today. Right there's the essential question. Again, it's the third slide. You see it all the time. How can we use grouping to factor a cubic polynomial? All right, go. You can stop it or just look it up, guys. It's in Schoology. And the next thing, not that slide, but that one. That will answer the next question right there. All right, again, always look for a common denominator, especially when there's two variables like this, x and y. There's one like this. Again, we just, what I call go direct for the answer. You unfoil it and factor it from here. When something is in front like this, the 8 in front of the x squared, you use the slide method. And now we're going to factor by grouping. It's a cubic with 4 terms, okay? All right, that's the homework check. Let's look at the exit ticket quick. It's 10 problems. All right. Guys, first one again, group it into 2 binomials. Take out the common factor. All right, and I'm writing this in front now because a lot of them are in front, the n squared plus 8. I'm just going to go through it quick, guys, all right? You can always stop the video. This is number 2. All right, again, 2 binomials. Factor out the common factor for each. 7n cubed plus 1 becomes in front here, okay? Again, I put it in front. Unlike the worksheet where I brought the 2n minus 3 in front, I'm taking, again, the 4n squared plus 5 and put that in front because that's the way it's listed here, multiple choice. If it's the other way around, it's okay, guys. It's the same thing. 2n minus 3 times 4n squared plus 5. It's the same thing, all right? All right, number 4. Again, group into 2 binomials, grouping. Because that negative, we're going to change that sign right there in front of the 6 to make it a plus. All right, go ahead and factor it out. You can see a good example of why I changed the sign here. I factored out a negative 1. See that right there? And that negative 1 moves right there. All right, number 5. Again, you can always stop the video, guys. I'm going to hustle through these. All right, 2 binomials, group them. This one's got a 7x squared common. This one's got a 6 common factor. Take it out. That leaves us 3x minus 5 in both. And again, I put those behind. So 7x squared plus 6 is now in front. All right, number 6. 2 binomials. Factor the first binomial. Factor the second binomial. What happens is you get a common binomial right here. Take it out. All right, number 7. Again, you look for each of these 2 binomials. What are the common factors here? What's the common factors right here? It's 12n squared. What's the common factors of these 2 right here? All right, it's 16, it turns out. Again, because that's the negative, I changed the sign. I'll say I'm changing it right there. I'm changing that one, okay? 2n minus 7, you end up with both. All right, now this was a little different, guys, because 12 and 16 have a common factor. This 4, I took it out. Again, each of these, sometimes, the reason I put it in front is it'll have another factor we can take out. If there's still a common factor, take it out. And you can look at the answers and see, all right? All right, same with this one. 2 binomials again. Take out the common factors for each one. This one is 21x squared. It's a big. And this one you take out a 9. All right, again, when you group these 2 together, again, to these 2 factors, I can take a 3 out of this first one. Because 21 and 9 have a common factor of 3. So I took it out. All right, the same for 9 and 10. They both have a common factor in the very end. Let's just look at it again. Two binomials. Take the common factor out of this one. Take the common factor out of this one. All right, so 3n squared plus 3 moves in front. N minus 5 moves behind. And obviously there's a 3 I can take out of this one right there. Take a 3 out. N squared plus 1. Our last one, group into two binomials again. Because that's a negative, change that sign. Okay, I'm changing that sign right there to a positive. All right, the common factor here is 16x squared. So that just becomes 8x plus 1. And the common factor here is 2. So that becomes 8x plus 1. All right, 8x plus 1 is here, so 16x squared minus 2 moves in front. But I can factor 2 out of both of those. So take out the 2. All right, that's it, y'all. Thank you. I hope that helped.